Hi, Cheryl here from Enyo. Just a quick video to show you how effective the Textile glove is at cleaning all your textile and fabrics around your home. So last week the toddler had a wee accident with the same chocolate pudding all over the carpet, the whole pot, and I could not believe how quick this fibre removed it all. So here I am just to show you how amazing that glove is. If you know me, you'll know that it's my favourite in the brochure. I could never be without it. So I'm just going to take the fibre and the stripy side, because that long fibres are going to work into the carpet using water as a solvent. It's just going to loosen it all up and the fibre is going to lift. You'll see here I'm not having to scrub or anything. I'm just lightly going over and the fibres are picking all that up. There's no soaps, there's no harsh carpet cleaners, there's nothing that's going to damage my carpet at all. This fibre is an absolute mummy essential. It saved the day in my house a lot of times with a potty training toddler. Great for the fabric toys that can't go in the washing machine, the carpet, the sofa, the pram, clothes, any spillages, the car seat. I've never even had my car seat out to wash it before. This just fixes it all. And with complete ease, you can see that that fibre has just lifted all that chocolate pudding. It's all there in the fibre. You wouldn't even know anything had even happened. Thanks for watching.